waiting time is 25 minutes. Please proceed to the main door. Yes, you need to take the food in the line, otherwise it will be probably very fast.
Hi, okay.
Imagine an invisible network that connects everyone on planet Earth. All the people you have seen today, all the people you have ever met, everyone in history, billions of human beings. We are all connected, and always have been, by our DNA. Our genetic code tells the story of our common origin. Homo sapiens emerged about 300,000 years ago, and the early human populations began to disperse across continents and give birth to great civilizations along the DNA migration routes. The Great Steppe of Eurasia was one of those significant places in world history, homeland to numerous ancient cultures whose inventions influenced early global development. The historical movements of people, ideas, and technologies shaped our modern world. Traces of our ancestors' genetic and cultural spirit can still be found in our DNA. Our roots have brought us together. Let us remember that we are all related. Welcome to the land of the Great Steppe. Welcome to Kazakhstan.
मैं आ गया repeated around the sun, which is 12 years. That's why every 12 years people celebrate the age of Mashiach. When we turn 12, 24, 36, it's always very meaningful and a big age for us. Nomads had a religion. The religion was called Tengriism. It was spread all over Central Asia. Shortly, they believed that God's name was Tengri and that Tengri married an earth goddess, and that's how humanity was created. Probably 4,000 years ago, nomads were first people who domesticated wild horses. It led to new inventions like trousers, wheels, chariots, stirrups, boot heels, and so on. Here you can see pieces of traditional Kazakh jewelry. This big one in the middle is called Sholpay. It has a very interesting backstory. Kazakh girls always had very long braided hair, and they used to wear this thing on their hair because back then the risks of a girl being kidnapped to marry someone were very high, and the fathers wanted to protect the girls. That's why they made them wear this thing in their hair. Firstly, because they believe it had some spiritual powers. Secondly, because this thing makes a very specific ringing sound. When somebody moves fast, that's why the father would always hear where his daughter is and whether she is okay. Here you can stand on the circle and try on traditional nomadic clothing. Sir, could you please move a little? It's struggling to see. Yes. Sir, could you please move a little? It's still struggling, I think, because of that.
Hello.
Thank you so much for visiting
Thank
us.
you.
Welcome. Hello, dear guests. Welcome to
Вы можете, он говорит, что нормально. Да.
We are having a main show in 3 minutes. You need to take dear guests, we are having a main show in 3 minutes. Please proceed upstairs. The next one will be only in 25 minutes.
Thank you.
It's going to be very good. Very exciting. Hi dear guests, welcome to Nur Sultan. Welcome to the capital of Pakistan. Welcome to the main show.
Hi. Sorry, sorry.
Humanity is on the verge of a great change. We are on the threshold of a new technological era. This evolution demands that we rethink the challenges ahead of us. How we imagine our future today is the key to creating a better tomorrow. future where digital and physical worlds coexist. What do we envision about tomorrow? What kind of life awaits us? Our future will depend on the successful interaction between man and machine, between human intelligence and AI. Artificial intelligence has taken a giant step forward, which gives us hope that this technology can help solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. We must keep dreaming of new horizons with unlimited possibilities, even when we face unknown situations. And we don't know what will be next. But hand in hand, we can overcome all obstacles. Because every challenge brings new possibilities. We wonder, is it possible to create a sustainable future? An ideal relationship between mankind and new technology? Could we harness the potential of artificial intelligence to improve the lives of people around the world and achieve a harmonious symbiosis between mankind and planet Earth? This beautiful and precious planet, our home, a unique sanctuary of life in the vastness of space. Moving into a digital tomorrow, we aspire to protect the ecosystem of our ancestors with the tools of the future. There will be a new generation of countries with the aim to find new approaches to the world. Kazakhstan is ready to be part of this global network.
Thank you. Nice.
Ik heb er nog eens gehoord.
Thank you.